In a small village lived a young boy named Hamza. His life was simple, but his dreams were big. More than anything, he wanted to build a beautiful home for his parents, something they had never had. He worked hard, studied late at night, and believed that one day his dream would come true. But life doesn't always go as planned. One night, a terrible storm hit the village. Strong winds, heavy rain, and within minutes, Hamza's small mud house collapsed. Everything was destroyed. People gathered around and whispered, "His life is finished. How will he ever stand again?" Hamza stood silently in front of the ruins of his home. Tears filled his eyes, but his heart whispered, "I've lost everything, but not my hope." The next morning, he started again. He worked small jobs from sunrise to sunset. He studied in the evenings, and every night he reminded himself why he was fighting. For his parents, for their smile, for their future. Days turned into months. Everyone in the village watched him change. The boy who once sat quietly beside his broken house was now stronger, more determined than ever. Slowly, his savings grew. Slowly, his efforts began to show. And one day, Hamza brought his parents to a new place. Standing before them was a strong, bright, beautiful house. The same dream that once seemed impossible. His mother's eyes filled with tears. His father held his hand tightly and said, "Son, you proved that the one who never gives up will always rise again." Hamza smiled and replied, "Yes, I lost everything, but I never lost my belief in myself." Sparkle's message of the story. Life may take everything from you, but it can never take your courage, your hope, or your belief, unless you let it. Those who rise after falling become unstoppable.